Well, guys, we're on another field trip. Yep, we're back in the store and we're looking at the sales going on and hidden deals and new items. Yep. And you know you want to know, so like and share the video on your way in, please, and thank you. Please share it to all your social media. And that's your social media to please continue to share. Make a long share of it. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, come on in. We're on a store field trip, one of the many things that we do here. And if you like doing all kinds of different things, including saving money, go ahead and subscribe. Do it now so you don't forget. And it helps us out tremendously. Along with making a comment and letting the video play all the way to the end. It's so important because, well, YouTube is watching. So thank you very much for all those things. Alright guys, let's have a look at some of these things. One of these new things I'm kind of stoked about is the new metal cups, because you know I have a passion for these, and the reason why is I have tile floors. So if they fall, they don't break. Okay, now we also have these new things. These are $6. Pretty cool. Put them in the freezer, get them cold. We've got some new big cups. Happy Mind, Happy Life. Very nice cup like that. Now these things are 50% off kitchen organization and dinnerware up into the 30th. And the reason why I wanted to show you this is a lot of this stuff can go on 25 on Saturday, save you an additional $5. Kind of like this flatware, if you need new flatware. I mean, these are four settings for each one. So if you have a family of 6 or 8, you're going to need 2 of these. So you would be at $28 or $14, excuse me. You'd be at $14 on your half-priced event. So all you would have to do would be add some coupon items to this and build yourself a deal. Okay. Now the next deal I want to tell you about is got to do with these Glade trash bags. They are on sale for $5. That's 95-cent savings without any coupons, okay? So if you were to pick up 2 of these, they would be $10 instead of 2 for $11. But more importantly, you could pick up 1 of these and some of your Swiffer products that you have a $10 coupon for. So 2 Swiffer products and 1 of these is $25, and 5 off of that and $10 off leaves you paying $10 for 2 Swiffer products and some trash bags. Okay, now keep in mind, oh yes, we got the squeaky buggy. They just love me, and that's the second buggy I tried. Now keep in mind, now when you're doing right at $25, that you might have to pick up a little something else, because it doesn't sometimes kick in at that price point. Now this is another sale that you want to do on Saturday. So go to the store sometime this week and get you some 5 off 25s. How you get them, well, that's up to you. Either make some purchases or ask the cashier. They will usually have some that they'll pass on to you. So extra paper, 5 off 25, so we can get extra deals this week. Because the blankets or throws, buy one, get one 50% off, okay? Blankets or throws. So these are the throws. And then, of course, you would get your 5 off 25. Okay, guys, these game day Oreos, they're still on sale for $4.95, but you've got dollar earns on these and $3 coupons. So $5 off of a right at $10 purchase, okay? So $5 for 2 of these, or $2.50 a piece. So winner chicken dinner. Now also 10 cents on the Christmas Oreos, if you can find them still. If you know where there's any at, they are going for 10 cents. Alright guys, take note. You see these 10% off stickers? You know those usually show up right before a clearance event. So start taking notes. So what did I come to the store for? Well, I need some dinner and some dinner ideas. Weather changed, and I decided I didn't want to go all the way to the grocery store. So I have this 5 off of Nestle products, and Stouffer's is a product of Nestle products. So I picked up 3 of these $5.25 bowls, and I want to get $5 off. So that's like buying 2 and getting 1 for free. So almost like free food. So if you still have that coupon, you can use it on this, or you can use it on the Oreo pizza, because you have $1 earned on those. If you got kids and you need a variety of frozen potatoes, and I kid you not, a variety, you have got the Arby's ones for $4, the Checkers and Rallies for $4, the Sweet Potato for $4, the Sonic for $4, the Sonic Tots for $4. So you can do a whole scenario just about on French fries and still save $5, okay? Saving money on any kind of food products is really good, but each one of these French fries sales saves you 95 cents. We're always looking for good food deals. This Classico is on sale for $2.50 a jar. Not 2 for $5, $2.50 a jar. So you don't have to get 2. You can just pick up 1 of the 4 cheese Alfredos, and you could just use that as a side dish, or you could use it as a full-on entree. We also have the Classico tomato roasted garlic for the same thing, $2.50 for each one, or 2 for $5 if you wanted to get 1 of each. Alright, let's have a little look at my choices for tonight. Now, these are $3. The smoked smoked sausage. The black eyed peas are $1.50. Now, for one person, this is going to be more than plenty. If we're having 2 people, I would add a box of macaroni and cheese to that. Okay, so just to stretch it along and make it super cheap. So let's have a look and see if we see anything else that might save us some money. Now, this Hellman is your next good deal. You've got a $2 off this $5.50 Hellman's mayonnaise. Going to make it $3.50. Winner chicken dinner. Now, suggestion, if you don't need it today, do it Saturday, because there's plenty of supply. More orange tickets. Guys, we had to revamp again, because I just realized while I was over here checking some stuff out that my $8 coupon was about to expire today. So if you've not used your Purina $8 coupon, go to the store now if you get this video in time. Hopefully you got yours, because you're probably not going to have time to go by the time I get this video up. So this is going to cost me $39 after taxes, and I'll be getting $4.50 back in earns. Okay, but it's going to save me $8 in the long run, and I won't have to buy any cat food for quite some time, or dog food for that matter. Well, guys, it started pouring down rain, so I'm going to go home and we'll pull out the receipts and see what we got for our money. Thank you for going shopping with me. I'll see you when we get to the house. Alright, we're back at home. Now, I got 2 things going on for you. I got a product review and my totals. On the Stouffer's bowl, they're okay, barely okay. You got 4 little chunks of meat in there and some gravy and veggies. So, for a kid, yes, this would be good. For an adult, maybe not so much. But I ended up getting 3 of them for $10.75. I also got my butter for $4.50, and I got some Epsom salt for $6.65. And then I got my $5 off. And then I used a $7.50 of my spend money that I got back from my Glade products for the food. So that's worthwhile use for your spend money. My final out of pocket was, with taxes, $15.29. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So $3 an item, guys. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Now, as I said, while I was over there looking at the pet food, I realized that $8 coupon expired tonight. And I was really torn, guys. I really was, because I wasn't prepared to spend that kind of money. But at the same time, I did not want to lose that savings. I needed the cat litter. That was one of the reasons why I was in the store. I didn't really need the cat food, but I also needed the dog food. So, I was really, really torn. But what kind of helped me out is the fact that just between the dog food and the cat litter, I was looking at $27, $28, $30 pretty much, with those 2 items. And I would have just got back $4 and I would have got back $4.50. $2 off for the cat litter and $2.50 back, or $2 earned on the dog food. So that would have been $4.50, or excuse me, $4 off these 2 items, which would have basically been like $24 still. Okay. And so I picked up the $17.25 cat food. Now, in hindsight, I should have just picked up 2 of the smaller bags. But this is what happens when I go to the store at nighttime. Sometimes my brain don't kick in, particularly if I'm doing things like on the fly, like this right here. But as you see, my $8 coupon come off, my $2 on my Tidy Cat come off. That's $10 in savings right there. And then on top of that, I'm getting back $4.50 in earned. So basically, with taxes, it was $36 before taxes. So I'll be getting 4 back. You're looking at $32 out of pocket for 3 items. So basically, a little bit more than $10 an item, which is not bad. It's a really good deal considering the cat food was $17. Now, on the bad side, had I done this on last Saturday, I would have saved an additional $5. So, there you go, guys. That is your field trip. And, like I said, the Stouffer's, the Nestle coupon is still good. The Stouffer deal. Now, I'm not sure if there is a earn on the Stouffer's. There was. I think it was like 50 cents. Nope, they didn't show up when I scanned it. Hope you enjoyed the field trip. We've seen a lot of interesting stuff. And I'll see you again next time because we got more deals coming up. Blessings.